You may have heard the saying that a person's home is a reflection of their mind or of their state of mind. And I know that's certainly true for me. I know that when I look around my home or my room and it's in a state of disarray, chaos, mess, etc., it's pretty clear that those times are the times when myself, I'm unbalanced, I'm chaotic, there's a lot going on for me, and I'm generally not managing, well, like I always manage things, but I'm not on top of my game as much as I might like to be. And I find this very interesting because it has nothing to do with how much is going on. I would have thought that the busier I was, the more intensity was going on in my life, that, oh, well, those are the times when maybe I won't have time to prioritize cleaning, etc. Very rarely the case. Generally, the times when I have a lot happening is those are the times when I need to be structured and ordered and very methodical in my day, in my life. In order to get all of the things done, I need to be, structured, organized. And my house, my space tends to be a reflection of that. I find it easier to stay on top of the routine of cleaning and orderliness when there is a lot going on. It's like that other adage, if you want something done, ask a busy person. I find this to be generally true as well. And the moments when I'm fairly idle or, not really managing all of even a small amount of stress and pressure that well, that's when very quickly things around me can become disorderly. And there's a snowball, there's a feedback loop effect here as well. If we have a clean, orderly space, that makes us feel good. We see it and we look and we go, wow, look at all the cleanliness and the order around me. Breath of fresh air. It's so easy to think clearly in a space like that. And when things are in disarray, it can be overwhelming. You see all of the clutter everywhere. It makes your mind feel cluttered. And then your thoughts are not as ordered or well sequenced, and it becomes harder to claw your way out of that situation because you're in a more compromised state of mind in the first place to be systematically and orderly working through things. So my advice here is less about, if your house isn't clean, you're a bad person or your mind is bad. We're not saying that. My point is that you can use your awareness of your space as a barometer to check in with where you're at. If you need the reflection, and sometimes we do. I know myself, sometimes I've needed to see the chaos around me go, oh yeah, I need to be a bit more orderly. I need to slow down and breathe and take a little bit more time to focus what's important. And the mess around me might be what brought that to my attention. The chaos around me may have let me become aware of the chaos within, at least at that point in time. It's also the other side of this, where if you do find yourself in a state where things maybe aren't going as well as you might like, things are spiraling, snowballing, and you're just getting a bit overwhelmed by stuff. One pattern breaker that you can employ is to tidy a particular space. Now, in those moments, tidying can be inaccessible. That's why things can get messy. But even just regaining control of some part of your environment, cleaning a room, the simplest one, making even a small part of a small room nicer, will give you the sense that you're getting on top of things, and then the snowball effect can start to go in the other direction. We can look at one place that you put order to and go, yes, I did that. Now what? This and then this and then this and then this and then this. Yes, good. It's a way to get out of these ruts, or whatever we want to call them. All right. That's my piece for today. I hope you found this useful or valuable in some way. If you did, please share, please comment, let me know what resonated with you. or if none of this resonated, please tell me that too. Tell me what you want me to talk about, and I shall. I'm always hungry for more ideas, and if I can speak into something which I know is going to be relevant to even just you, I have a very tiny audience still. So anything that you say, I will probably hear and make a whole video for you. Just saying. If you want, you know. No pressure. Anyway. If you've made it this far in this video, I do appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you kindly. If you want to see what I talk about tomorrow, hit subscribe because I post a new video every single day. Thanks again. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.